Wanna learn and have some fun? Please subscribe to my channel. In this video, I want to share with you the importance and role of money. Money is one of the important things in the world and become part of our lives. It plays an important role because without it, we can't have all the things we need. We all need money to save for our future needs. Long before the Spaniards came to the Philippines, barter was our system of trading. Since Philippines is rich in gold, a tiny gold bits called piloncitos are used as coinage in our country. Years passed, it evolved in coins and paper bills. We have 6 coins, 1 centavo, 5 centavos, 25 centavos, 1 peso, 5 pesos, and 10 pesos. But actually, the centavo coins were no longer used by many because of its value. For the paper bills, we have 6 different bills. It's the 20 pesos, 50 pesos, 100 pesos, 200 pesos, 500 pesos, and the 1,000 pesos. 20 pesos is our lowest paper bill, and 1,000 is the highest. So, if we're going to use this or someone's gonna pay us, we have to think if it is worth for our hard work and sacrifices. Let's say you worked hard for the whole day just to pick vegetables in the farm. How much are you going to sell your project? Are you satisfied if they pay you for only 50 pesos? Is it enough? Is it really worth it? Make a strategy on how to set a price for your project. You need to know the common prices in the market as your basis. To make things fair, we really have to think first before we decide. Be wise in using it. I hope you learned something from me. Thank you and God bless. Don't forget to click, like, and share.